The people here are very, very high caliber. They're very, very helpful and they're very, very friendly.
Machine Intelligence Garage is a program we launched to help startups working in machine learning and AI advance their capabilities, get onto market faster, and launch better products.
We have partnered with Machine Intelligence Garage because we would like to offer these interesting startups the opportunity to develop their application using GraphCore IPUs.
It's fascinating to see the diversity of young startups that have emerged to try out the various platforms, and it's brilliant to see the level of enthusiasm and the rate at which new ideas are turning up.
Our objective is to make the startups that we work with as successful as they possibly can. We try to get you access to compute because we know that's one of the biggest roadblock or challenges. We try to essentially introduce you to the right people from a technical perspective, not only from a business perspective.
It's a company called Bloomsbury AI was acquired by Facebook. They worked with our NVIDIA DGX1 box here in the Catapult, but they also worked with our partner Cray in their AI lab, and that enabled them to massively speed up the training for their system.
We've really benefited from the MI Garage in a number of ways, from the workshops that have been run on things like AWS, how to get the best out of the AWS infrastructure, how to market, how to sort of refine our value proposition, and how to create pitch decks and how to pitch not just to investors but to customers as well, which was something very new to us.
I think the ethics committee was really helpful, for example, to help us design our tools in a better way, to make it better for the humanity and to make more responsible tools.
To my mind, the real value has been in the softer side of things. It's been introductions to people, it's been the pat on the back and the push in the right direction. It's a very nice collaborative atmosphere.
Over the last year and a half, BIOS has secured about $4.5 million in funding, plus another $2 million in grant funding. And those unique results have allowed us to grow to a team of 26 full-time.
So milestone moments of success definitely include 2 weeks ago we got our US patent granted, which is great, it's big news. And then really smashing our revenue targets last year was a big thing for us. Ramped up our sales tenfold and have come into 2019 in a really strong position. And secondly, obviously, commercial contacts to try and refine the proposition and make sure that we could get to market with a fully developed product.
The Machine Intelligence Garage has made Chai happen. It was the first point of external validation we had from the outside world, and it meant getting some Google Cloud credits, forcing us to get our ducks in a row and get taken seriously pretty much from the outside world. So it's been transformational for our company. I mean, I don't think the company would be around if it hadn't been for Digital Catapult.
My advice to anybody else joining the cohort would definitely be ask the team a lot of questions. Digital Catapult can provide lots of different services.
Just engage with everything you can, even if you don't know the exact value of every component of it just yet.